Gym class! Think fast! Good job! Come on, Curtis! This is only gym class! Come on, Buttons! Come on, Curtis! This will affect your fitness test score! I can't... Come on! Okay, 3, 2, 1, go! Good job, Buttons! Bonus points for you! Good job, good job! Zapania, get up! It's just a scratch! Alex, why aren't you participating in gym class?
I'm scared, and I don't know how to play hockey. I've never been taught, and these boys are being far too aggressive. This is not to my ability level.
Well, you can play tennis, can't you?
Well,
Hockey
yeah.
and tennis are the same thing. Or no? Curtis! You remembered your sneakers and your sweatpants. You're all ready for gym class. Buttons! You're not wearing sneakers and you're not wearing appropriate clothes for gym class. 10 points off your average and you will be staying after on Monday to make it up.
No.
Okay guys, we gotta do our warm-up jog. Come on Curtis, get up. This will affect your average. 2 minutes, only 2 minutes, come on. Stop stretching and run. Oh my goodness. And wait, let me put on some awful music so it will help you run. Okay, there. Come on, you're not running. Come on, Curtis, I told you to run. Do your stretches. Curtis, that is not what you're doing. Your leg has to be like this. Good. Oh, good job, guys.
Abs.
Come on, Jameel. We're doing crunches.
It's Kyle.
Oh, whatever you say, Jameel. Come on.
Oh.
I was born with glass bones and paper skin. Every morning I break my arms, and every night I break my legs. I lie awake in agony waiting for my heart attacks to put me to sleep. They made me participate in gym class.
And so the sky becomes a dream I never dreamt, because I'm just too busy waiting for nothing and wasting away.